Good morning and welcome back to the vlog, you guys. I just added these little under eye patches to, these are the Pixi ones. I love them. I've been using them for years. I like how cooling they are. They help depuff, obviously hydrate the under eye. It's a perfect way to prep your under eye before you do your makeup, especially if you get a lot of creasing. A lot of the times it's because our under eye area is dry. So if you keep it hydrated and plump, you avoid a little bit of that creasing. Anyway, I just put it on because it feels so good and I just feel like it's a nice little treat. I have a call this morning, which is why I'm trying to look a little decent. It's a call with a interior designer. I will let you guys know how that goes. We did try to go the traditional interior designer way for the living room and the kitchen, but it was a little bit out of our budget. So I found this girl on Instagram. I like that she incorporates highs and lows because I feel like a lot of interior designers will want to say like, you absolutely need this bench and it costs $5,000. And I'm just like, yeah, no. So I want to be able to incorporate, you know, I will splurge where I need to splurge. Like I'll splurge on a dining table because I feel like that's a piece that is a focal point. It's a piece that's going to get a lot of wear because we're going to, you know, we host a lot. But I just feel like sometimes it's certain things that I just don't want to spend that kind of money on. You know, I still like to buy things from Target, but you can mix the highs with the lows. So I feel like she kind of has that vibe because just based on what she posts and the things that, like she'll link something from Anthropologie, like a nightstand that's, or like a little side table that's $300 versus a side table that's like $3,000. You guys know what I mean? So I'm gonna have a call with her today, kind of feel her out, see if I like the vibes and see if we can work together. My two areas of the house that I want to focus on is the dining room and the family room. You guys already know that. And then depending on how that goes, then maybe we can move on to other areas of the house. Anyway, I wanna, what time is it? Let me look at my phone to see if I have enough time to make a matcha. Okay, I absolutely do not have enough time. So I'm just gonna drink my water and I'll make my matcha after the call. House is a little bit of a mess too, and I'm gonna be FaceTiming her. But whatever. Dennis really thinks he has a special, look at the little squiggle. Look, it's leaving, babe. It didn't even want to come near your food. It's like, bye.
All right.
Oh,
We're here.
I came looking for them.
Okay.
There's
I'm here with my
different
suegro and Hector. Came out to grab a bite to eat, get some breakfast. On a beautiful, clear day.
Yeah, we came to eat with my dad. Came to Marmalade Cafe. We've been here, I don't know if we've been to this location. Have we been to this location?
I don't think this one.
We've been to the one in Encino, so brought my dad out here. It's such a pretty day today. It's like sunny, not too cold. Like it feels crisp, but not, you know, not anything we can't handle. So I'm excited. Oh, I was gonna say, I'm excited. I'm gonna get a mimosa, but no, it's dry January. Look at the turtles, Dad.
You're gonna wait until my birthday. Bird is bathing like
You see the turtles, Dad? No, they're real. I got all the little turtles sunbathing. You see them?
Esta otra.
Oh, yeah. They're everywhere.
They're over there. Look, see them over
Oh, wow, they're big. There's some big ones on the other side.
Es que el agua está fría, so.
Esto es solecito.
Yeah,
this is
that one
where
over
we're
there
coming.
getting out, you see it?
Yeah. I'm gonna go put our name down. Hopefully, I don't think there'll be a long wait. Looks pretty empty, actually. Okay, you guys, we ordered our food, or we got our food. I ended up going with chili and yeah, soup and salad, and I got chili, a cup of chili and a Caesar salad. But then I was also craving grilled cheese, so I ordered a grilled cheese from the kids section, or the kids menu. Dennis got chicken breast sandwich. My dad got a salmon. He also got the wait, what is it? Pineapple pancake. Jesus Christ, I can't talk. And my brother got a crispy chicken sandwich, which also looks good. I don't know if I showed this to you guys, but it's actually really good. And you guys know I don't like sweets. So it's more like a very
chunks of
thick
pineapple.
pancake, but it tastes more like a bread.
I'm gonna tell you that it tastes like
I like the crispy parts.
it tastes like
These little parts are good.
like a apple
And
pie.
that's
Like if there was, you know, like the McDonald's apple pies,
yeah.
but pineapple.
Yeah, it's really yummy. And I feel like I've tasted this before, but I can't pinpoint.
That has to taste so good because the butter was right. All right, guys, update. Let me show you guys. Floors. All the floors are gone.
The floor is gone, baby.
And gotta be careful.
You're gonna fall through the floor.
Right? But yeah, so we got that done.
Oh, this Mars is
Oh yeah, be
dangerous.
careful
This
guys,
Mars
be
is
careful.
weird.
Inside.
It's dangerous. How's the coffee? Dad, you don't want a coffee?
What they do? What do you feel like doing? You wanna go on a car ride? You wanna go? You wanna go? Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. I'm gonna take him on a car ride.
Going.
I don't know, just to drive. Yes? Yes? Let's go. Let's go, boys. Let's go. Let's go. They love car rides. I don't know where we're going. I don't need to go anywhere, but just seeing their energy is what makes me want to go somewhere with them. Let's go. Vámonos. Let's go. Vámonos. They get so happy. Okay, so they're happy. We are home. We are back. I took them for a ride. I actually took them to the other property we have where I have a container. Oops, let me lower this music. Sorry. Where I have a container out there that I use it as a storage. They're happy. They went for a ride. I actually parked outside right now just because I'm going to turn on one of the classics. I started charging both of the batteries, but I'm definitely gonna take one out right now. Don't know which one. I guess the one that starts. So let's see what happens. But I'm gonna try to walk with the boys. I know my wife hates that, but I'm gonna try to see if I can walk with them without a leash and just go into the gate and see if they follow me. Come on. She's just chilling.
How is it?
Good. I came to grab you guys just because
I'm being very lazy.
I was out there trying to turn on the Porsche.
Where's my dad?
It turned on. I think he's in the front. It turned on. So I was happy. It did turn on. No, Hold on. Let me show my father-in-law a video first, and I'll start recording after.
He's gonna try to turn on his car. Throw it away, babe. All right, he's putting his pieces back together.
It's just the battery's not fully charged.
Yeah, the battery's dead, so he's charging it.
And I don't know, this car, like, for some reason, these batteries need to be fucking
Fully charged.
100%, yeah, fully charged, because it does pull. But yeah, tomorrow, I'll give it a shot. This one I already have the mechanic, so tomorrow you guys will see it. We'll run around.
The mechanic's coming?
Yeah.
I'm looking for my tripod for the camera. You guys, I have been a sloth on the couch. Oh, wow.
I mean, it's not done, but I got.
Oh, wow. I can actually walk. This is nice. Oh, good job, boo-boo. I need a tripod for this camera that's like...
All we have is the Gorilla.
See, like this is too tall and that's too low. So then I'll keep this one for my phone.
Keep that one for your phone.
Oh, is this the tall? Is that as high as it goes though? Oh, perfect.
So you keep that one for your phone, and then this one, look. So this one, we do this.
So we have this. Okay, and then I can put the camera on that. Okay, hair looks crazy because like I said, I was laying on the couch. I was laying on the couch as soon as we got back from lunch with my dad. My dad and I just laid on the couch and I was watching TV and he kind of dozed off and fell asleep. So that's what I was doing. And then Dennis was like, I want to take you to the movies. So we're going to go watch Wonka. Willy Wonka. Charlie and the Chocolate Factory is actually one of my favorite movies. I've watched that movie, I'm not even exaggerating, probably like 20, 30 times. I love it so much. And obviously they just came out with Wonka, so we're going to go watch it. And it's supposed to be the story of Wonka before he had the chocolate factory. So we're going to go, I'm trying to fix my hair. As you guys saw, I went to lunch with my dad. It was really, really nice. He came out here. It took him forever to get back because there was traffic. It took him like an hour and 20 minutes to get back, which I felt so bad. But I'm happy he was able to come out and that we were able to spend time together. We went to the Calabasas Commons, as you guys saw, and I went to Marmalade. I did go to Barnes & Noble because I wanted to get the Book of Psalm, and they didn't have it, so I have to order it on Amazon. I also downloaded the app that you guys told me to download. A lot of you guys DM'd me and told me to download the Bible app. You YouVersion or YouVersion or something like that, and I downloaded it. And I was actually, Dennis and I were we started reading the Bible last night. I was reading out loud, and he was just kind of like laying on me, and I was reading it. So I actually went to bed. I also wrote on my prayer journal that I showed you guys. Wrote on my prayer journal, wrote my prayers out, and I went to bed, and I had a really, really beautiful dream. And then I woke up and then realized it was just a dream. And that made me a little sad. But then I started thinking like, okay, I've had really scary dreams for the last like week. And last night, well, okay, so this is what I'm trying to say. I've had really scary dreams. And last night that I read the Bible and I wrote in my prayer journal, I had a really beautiful dream. But then when I woke up, I was sad because it was a dream. But then as I started reflecting and thinking, I thought to myself, wow, that's like kind of ironic that I've been having really scary dreams. But the night that I read the Bible and I write in my prayer journal, I have a beautiful dream. So I don't know. I kind of connected both of them. So instead of feeling sad that it was just a dream, I felt hopeful that maybe it was God talking to me in my dream, versus the other nights that I have been maybe with a little bit more fear and more anxiety, and I have really scary dreams that's like the devil trying to convince me of something negative. Where the night that I read the Bible and wrote in my prayer journal, I had a really beautiful dream. I don't know, maybe I'm overthinking things, but we did go to Barnes, say all this to say that I went to Barnes & Noble to get the Book of Psalms. They didn't have it, so I'm just going to order it on Amazon. And then thank you for recommending that app. I'm still trying to learn it because it is a little confusing, but we started reading the Bible, so if you guys are looking for that, it's called, let's say I'll write it right here somewhere so you guys can know. But we're gonna go to the movies. We're doing a late night. Movie starts at 9. I don't remember the last time we went to the movies this late, you guys. There's been many times where we're like, oh, let's go to the movies, and then I end up telling him I'm too tired. Cancel the movies. It was a no makeup day today. So I'm just spraying a little bit of my Dalba spray just to hydrate the skin. And then I'm gonna do a little bit of lip balm. I love this lip balm. It leaves your lips so glossy. It's the Nude Skin Hydropeptide Lip Butter with shea and avocado. And it leaves your lips really glossy. And then obviously oh my goodness. Obviously the Dalba spray, which I am halfway through. This leaves your skin so glowy. The other day, I forgot if it was on Instagram or, no, I think it was TikTok. Somebody asked me, I had just sprayed this and I did a quick little video. And somebody asked me, oh my God, what's on your skin? It is so glowy, but look, you guys, just like, it's so hydrating. It's such a fine mist. I will link it. You can get it on Amazon. I think it's under $20. It's such a good spray. But I keep this in my makeup drawer, so I'll just put it here for now, so we don't have to walk back. Oh, you know what else? Actually, no, just do that when I go back tonight. Okay, shit. Let's go to the movies. One thing I am taking are my Raisinets. I was actually eating them on the couch earlier, and I was gonna put them back in the pantry, and I was like, oh wait, I should take these because these cost like $5 at the movie theater. So I'm gonna take those. Got my bag. It is gonna be so cold outside. This bag doesn't even match my outfit, but whatever, who cares? Who cares? Those things don't matter. Let me get my water. That's new. Oh wow, and the Hermes opened. So this is our first time coming to...
Where's the AMC at?
The AMC's over here. I mean, you could just park over there, yeah. This is our first time coming to the AMC at Topanga. I've been wanting to come to our house. I think is it our house or our house? I'm assuming it's our house, but what do I know? Why is the mall so packed? I was saying that this is our first time coming to the AMC. Dennis has been wanting to come to this theater, and we're finally gonna check it out. So just asked him if there's real food. As much as I love nachos, it's my favorite. Are you a nachos girl, or are you a popcorn girl, or are you a candy girl? I'm a nachos girl. What are you?
Like both.
Popcorn and nachos? Cold. I should have put a shirt. I knew it. I should have put a shirt under. I said it. I even said it. Just put my little collar up. But then, you know, the papada comes out. This is the Topanga Social. It is very cold. Look at that bar. All right, we found it. It's on the 3rd floor. We were down there. How sweet. He rented the entire theater just for us.
Largest cinema network in the country.
Look at that.
You're missing out on the most diverse and influential
Just kidding.
audience.
I told him that you were so sweet and you rented the whole theater. These are nice. All right, these are the seats. We ordered food and they're gonna bring it to us. But I thought in the
Okay, when you turn around, you're gonna see
thing
some
it showed that this was full.
the turkey and cheese.
Oh, and I get to go to sleep.
Imagine that LL Cool J has a bubble around him.
Babe, I thought it showed that it was full.
There are some situations that young homeowners turning into their parents just can't.
That's so weird. When we picked our seat, the whole theater was like booked. These were like the only ones, I don't know, weird. Nobody's here, but I got a little, this is cool.
2, 1.
You guys, I take it back. He did not rent the theater for us. The movie starts at 9:20. He thought it started at 9.
Complimentary class leading Blue Link Plus available on
So now we're
We need to start doing that going forward.
super early. So we could have ordered a food.
I'm not letting hotels soak.
We could have ordered it from our seats.
It's the lavender meant for me.
30 minutes before. No, I know.
I can only sit for so long, so imagine having to sit here for another 20 minutes.
These are
I
my
know.
tissue box. It will be amazing.
Our food just arrived. I got the pizza. Dennis got a sandwich and tater tots, but they didn't bring our sauces, so he went to go get the sauces.
March 22nd.
Really? Goosebumps.
The trailer's already started. This is my pizza. I don't even know if you guys can hear me. Dennis got his sauces. Ranch and buffalo. Ghostbusters. You guys. Wait,
She was snoring in there. I had to tell her, like, wait.
babe,
you're
I did
snoring.
fall asleep.
Yeah, she was snoring.
I wasn't snoring, but I did fall asleep.
At first, I thought it was Willy Wonka, but it was her.
I could not stay awake. The movie is definitely a watch at home. You can skip the theater.
You know what it is? Is the musical.
Yeah, it's too much
the
music.
singing, it just gets you kind of cozy.
Yeah, it's too much singing. Obviously, the originals are always the best. And not that this is Charlie and the Chocolate Factory, but I don't know. Ooh! It's cold. The movie's cute, but you can watch it at home.